And today, this is an executive meeting, as you all can see, but we're talking about our business in a box, which is our new subscription business box plans that we will be rolling out here soon. So we're just getting together everything that we want to put in them so that we can test out the different items. Yes? Yes.
I want some more.
Okay, go and you can get another one. It's only one left, so you can have the last one. Blue, get in it. What you want? Applesauce?
I want
During our meetings, sometimes we have our kids around.
Okay, good job, Nazir.
As you all can see.
You got strong muscles.
Yeah, I got the way.
Oh.
Show TT your muscles. So yeah, we're doing our business boxes. We're figuring out what things we want to put up in the boxes. And yeah, so it's kind of like care boxes, but for businesses, for business owners. So yeah, we're really excited. We're not going to tell y'all what we putting in them.
Not at all.
Or do y'all want to know? Because I feel like by the time we're going to post this. So we're not telling y'all. Yeah. So, but yeah, what we try to do or what we do during our meetings is just try to like make sure we put an agenda down so we know exactly what we're going to talk about, and we do a what, how, and why. So for every topic that we're talking about. So that's what we're doing.
And head over to the site and subscribe to our newsletter. That way you get this when it drops.
Yes. So
and we might select 2 people from there that's been rocking with us.
And
okay.
you make it a free business box.
Mm-hmm.
But like we said, it is going to be a subscription plan, but you will also have an option of just purchasing a box if you want just a one-time box, or whenever you want one, if you don't want a monthly box. So you have one that you want already?
One's black and one's gonna be red, or what? What's the colors?
Well, we gotta figure out names, colors. we gotta fill all that out and decide. For shirts too. And items in the box.
I hate you so much.
Okay. This was great though.
It was her idea, the items with the box.
I'm excited. I think people are gonna buy them.
I don't think they're not gonna buy them.
We gonna make y'all buy them. Somebody gonna buy them. So if it ain't you watching the video, your friend gonna buy it. Or your mama. Your mama got a business. Get the business in the box. The why is to provide business owners with affordable and etiquette is not the word that we're gonna say, but to provide business owners with affordable and describe in the box. Affordable, like what type of box it is. Because I don't have to say and affordable. Okay, I guess let's see. Affordable etiquette. I don't want to say business again.
Affordable etiquette preparation.
Bam. There we go. Okay.
Sometimes Brandy be trying to think of astonishing words for us to do for these things, and just be like, girl, just pick some simple words.
I do. Sometimes all the time, I'm like, go straight to Googling synonym for unbelievable, looking for a word. But it's like, all right, just be simple. So it's everything ain't got to be all that. Sometimes there is a thing as being too extra and too much. But yeah, just so y'all know a little bit about me. Okay, now we're on the how. Okay, and how, well, clearly, how is just through distribution.
Yeah,
distribution of business box. The business box, yeah. Okay.
Or business subscription based.
Oh, you're right. Okay, yeah, let's not. We got to get ahead of ourselves. We need to do it right now. We're ready to wrap up if we're trying to have stuff. Follow us on TikTok though, Executing Black Business. Head over to the website, www.executingblackbusiness.com, so you can sign up for that newsletter, and you may be the business owner that gets the first free business in a box. So yeah, get over there and subscribe to us on YouTube.
Yeah, but you still got to tune into our podcast because we'll announce it there.
Yes. Oh, and I know y'all ready for the podcast.
Yes.
Stay tuned. Okay, the how. Okay, we done for real now. Okay, how is through subscription-based business bar?
Is it care box? No, we shouldn't call it care.
Yeah, I guess we can say that. Business care boxes? No.
No.
Business in a box. Business boxes. Business preparation. What's
Through subscription-based preparation boxes.
subscription-based
Mm.
business? Because it's the items are preparation for business meetings and okay, through subscription-based business subscription-based preparation. It has to have
In a
business
box.
it. Okay, in a box.
Yes.
Through subscription-based preparation in a box. Okay.
Yes, this is great.
All right, we got it. We're done. Okay. So that's it. We're wrapped up. We're ready to go.
This is pretty good.
We're riled up. We're riled up. We're ready to go. Oh no, it's fired up. Ready to go. We're fired up. We're ready to go. We're fired up. Ready to go. Go EBV.
I'm gonna say Eagles.
All right. So that's it, you all. We are finished with our meeting.
I was sitting talking about what we're doing for
Hold on, we have one more meeting.
We got one more meeting.
Oh,
No,
God.
we got 3 more rules. 3 shit. I thought we were talking about that now.
No. This meeting's done. So it's like we're gonna have another meeting.
Okay, next meeting's for that.
Yeah, because
Okay.
it's 8:30.
Dang, time went so fast. Okay.
All right, you all.
Great meeting.
The meeting is finished. It's adjourned.
Meeting adjourned.
All right, y'all. Make sure you go do all that stuff we told you to do. Okay?
Yes, follow us on TikTok, follow us on Instagram, also follow us on Facebook. Head over to our site. Be on the lookout for some new merch dropping soon, but you can still purchase the old merch too.
Yes.
Okay.
And
Be on the lookout for EVB in the streets too, because we're gonna be in the streets. Okay, connecting with business owners, connecting with just the people in the community. Okay?
yes. And we really want to hear you all's feedback. So let us know what you all need. If you have a black-owned business, what do you need?
Right.
Tell us today. Now. All right. Bye, y'all. Wrapped up. Behind the scenes with EBB.